Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the latest economic calendar on Insta TV. At the end of the current week, markets will keep an eye on the following macroeconomic releases. On Thursday, the Bank of England will announce its interest rate decision for August. Markets expect the bank to keep the rate unchanged at 0.25%. The previous meeting of the UK Central Bank ended with the same decision. The official bank rate was left unchanged. However, 3 out of 8 members of the Monetary Policy Committee voted for the immediate rate increase of 25 basis points in order to curb the inflation rate. However, all 8 MPC members voted to stand pat on the asset purchasing program in the volume of £435 billion. The Bank of England forecasts acceleration in the inflation rate to 3% this autumn. The price growth was linked to the fall in the pound sterling triggered by the Parliament election. On Friday, the US Statistical Bureau will report on the jobless rate and employment in July. According to economists, the unemployment dropped to 4.3% and the US economy generated 183,000 new jobs. In June, the nation's economy created 222,000 vacancies, up from expectations for 175,000 new jobs. The jobless rate edged down to 4.3% from 4.4%, while no changes had been anticipated. The private employment increased by 187,000. The manufacturing sphere created only 1,000 new positions. The average hourly earnings inched up by 0.2% on a monthly basis. In annual terms, the indicator grew by 2.5%. On Friday as well, Canada will reveal its labour market data for July. Analysts expect the jobless rate to stand flat at 6.5% and the employment to advance by 146,000 jobs. In June, employment in Canada showed a strong increase. The Canadian economy generated 45,300 vacancies after 54,500 new jobs a month earlier. Part-time employment contributed the most to the total rise. However, full-time employment also grew. Meanwhile, Canada's jobless rate fell to 6.5% in the given period. Such results surprised experts who had projected 10,000 new positions and a zero change in the 6.6% unemployment rate. Later in the week, the following data will see the light of day. On Thursday, Australia will publish its trade balance statistics. The United Kingdom will release the report on the services business activity. Bank of England's Governor Mark Carney will hold a press conference. The United States will deliver its data on jobless claims and ISM non-manufacturing PMI. On Friday, the Reserve Bank of Australia will announce its monetary course for August. The retail sales data will also be unveiled in Australia. Canada and the United States will end the week with their trade balance reports. And this concludes the latest economic calendar prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thanks for watching and see you back soon.